Greetings and good morning, strangers and subscribers. Great to have you here again. And as always, I'm your host, Light Liger, and you're watching the monthly issue of Crypto Airdrops for March 2021. And March is starting out pretty slow. We don't really have anything too major going on, but I do believe that somewhere around this month, we are going to be seeing some level of these DeFi airdrops actually happening. And obviously, I have created this list for that, which I keep updating now and then for doing analysis and speculation on which dApps on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Tron, and every other chain might be doing some type of airdrops for their users. But for now, it's all speculation. We also know that NEM is having their airdrop, I believe, on March 10th. So that is finally happening after being pushed over and over again multiple times. But obviously end of February we've got a bunch of these holder airdrops happening, which we have covered here on the doc, which is listed down below in the description. Also, do want to remind people that we have an actual airdrops channel on Telegram where I'm posting a lot of airdrops which are currently ongoing, and also airdrops which are not mentioned on these videos. So make sure you actually join the announcement channel for that. But let's get into the airdrops which are going right now. So first of all, we have Shapeshift, which is definitely one of those old school platforms. And, you know, in terms of like buying money with fiat, it's kind of, I think it's even older than Changelly and Simplex. And they have this very interesting system, which is called the rainfall. And the rainfall works in this way that every time somebody basically joins in and does KYC, you will be basically getting 10 Fox. And more Fox you have, more chances you have in this raffle to basically get these USDC. So every time somebody does trades on the platform, as you can see 9 minutes ago, 14 minutes ago, the USDC is given to random users on the platform who hold the Fox tokens. And basically doing trades on the platform earns you Fox, and also basically referring people to the platform will be earning you 10 Fox per friend. So basically your two choices are to basically trade or invite other people or do both. They also have a weekly board where they give special extra prizes on Ethereum for the people who bring in more members basically to the platform. And, you know, this has been going on for some time, but there was some technical issues on registering to the platform and getting that referral link for me. So it took a bit of a time, but definitely worth it if you're going to be trading anyway. So I hold actually some numeraire here, which I'm hoping to sell at some point, maybe very soon, because maybe I want to earn some more Fox. But definitely something to look into, because the more Fox you own, more of those airdrops in USDC you can get, or rainfall as they call it. So definitely worth the look. Then we have Cake DeFi. We have covered this already 3 months in a row. Basically, very simple process. You do a deposit worth of $50 in any of the currencies that they support here, Bitcoin, Dash, DFI, Ethereum, or USDT. And then you will be getting $30 worth of DFI. And this will be, you know, given to you, but it will be locked in for 6 months on the platform. But you will be gaining interest during that 6 months for the DFI. And then there's obviously will be getting interest also on the coin that you will be depositing, whatever it's Bitcoin or Dash or etc. And I do have a full review on my channel which goes into everything about the Cake platform, and they have multiple referrals and staking and interest earning platforms, so you can earn quite a lot, just also not from inviting friends into the platform, but also from their deposits you will be getting referral rewards. So DFI and the coin that they're going to be depositing also requires KYC, FYI. Then we have Femex. Femex has a lot of different giveaways going on. So one is for new users. Basically, everybody who registers to Femex, I'm going to leave that link down below alongside with the Femex raffle, basically, which just basically asks you to do 2 Twitter tasks, and that's it. And basically then you can get your Doge by, you know, I think there's gonna be given out to multiple people. A lot of people have already entered. There's 13 days left. There's a deposit bonus giveaway going on the platform for Bitcoin. And there's a bunch of earn crypto things as well, like, things that you can do on the platform to earn more money. So there's a lot of ways to earn some money. They're really looking for new members on their platform. That's why they're doing all these promotions. But yes, Femex does require KYC. Swissboard, which is obviously something we have talked about probably 6 months now, but hey, there's always new members coming into the platform, and basically the Swissboard platform is only available on Europe. So if you're from Europe and you basically deposit 50 euros worth of something, you will be getting a reward ticket, which will be worth from 1 euros to 100 euros. That will be random. So you will be getting a ticket. I will be getting a ticket. And if you're going to be depositing USDC, for instance, they actually have a inbuilt yield program in their application, which doesn't, by the way, have any type of gas fees. So they kind of do it manually. And that has around 12% or something. I got around $500 of USDC there right now. And you can convert this Bitcoin into any other currency that they support on the platform and withdraw it. As for the deposit of 50 euros, you can withdraw it immediately out from the platform after you get the ticket. And the fees are going to be lower than the lowest amount of reward that is going to be paid out to you. But it's anywhere from 1 euro to 100 euros. Usually when Bitcoin's price is lower, the rewards tend to be higher as well. But let's move on, and here is the first non-KYC airdrop that is called GoldKey, which is on Binance Smart Chain. A bit of an anonymous project, not gonna lie, so there's gonna be some risks involved, but hey, the airdrop is not asking you to invest in anything, but I wouldn't buy anything regarding the G-Key. But they do have a Telegram airdrop, which I'm gonna be linking down below, where you can participate by doing a couple of simple tasks and invite friends, and you will be getting the G-Key tokens as a reward. But hey, Binance Smart Chain has been doing pretty hot as of late, so these coins might be going into very high moons. Then we have some LA tokens newest promotions. One is Freecoin, one is Protocol Finance, then they have an IUST giveaway, and also Nidronia giveaway. I'm not sure exactly what that is. Some of these are going to be March ending in a couple of days, and also some of them, like the Freecoin, is going to be ending on March 13th. LA token does require KYC on their exchange to register. However, I do want to emphasize that there's so many airdrops in LA token that it's really worth to go through that hassle. And then we have another Gleam airdrop from Mahadao. So we got actually a big DeFi player here with up to 1,500 in rewards. That's a very lucrative offer that you might be getting here. 50 lucky winners from this contest. And you can do a lot of entries by doing videos, following them on LinkedIn and Mediums, and you can also get bonus entries by sharing to your friends. And basically, this one will run for 12 days still. I think this is a good airdrop to actually enter in due to the fact that it's such a high reward and the tasks are kind of meaningless compared to the potential reward that you can get from it. And then to the second last, we have a Banano airdrop on TXBit, which is an exchange that I've talked about in the past, but I'm probably going to be doing an individual review on it in the future. And they are basically giving out money for people who are newly registered to TXBit, and I'm going to be doing a one trade on the platform, and you will be basically getting $2 worth of Banano, which is 400 right now. So it's going to be 400 Banano. Obviously, that can go upwards, and the Banano price will go above the $2. And it's going to be first 2,500 users, and it's going to be a total of 1 million Banano as of right now. So Banano has been doing a lot of airdrops. Definitely worth to check out. And yeah. And our last airdrop is Velo, which is another KYC-based airdrop here. Basically $20 of USDT for the first 5,000 people who are going to be signing into OKEX and basically signing this airdrop form here. Basically, okay, this is no longer... Okay, this is over, guys. Sorry about that, including this here. So to kind of give a very quick rundown on this month, it's not a lot of things going on, like a lot of the old ones from the past months, and a lot of KYC based airdrops. As I said on previous video, DeFi and KYC based airdrops are going to be where the money is, and I don't see that trend anymore changing in the upcoming months. So don't waste time with a lot of these Telegram airdrops, because most of them are actually fake, and the ones that I usually feature are 99% like alleged real things, and I vet them pretty hard usually. But thanks for watching, see you guys on the next video, subscribe, you know what to do, see you soon, cheers.